Okay, so what's up guys? May nabili naman akong bagong item para sa aking room. So this one is a mini refrigerator. So I bought it for 5,400. So let's do an unboxing. So, the problem now is saan ko siya nilalagay. Anyways, let's do the unboxing. May mini freezer din siya. And we can put some ice there. So, ayan. Tingnan natin if it will last long. So, date. I purchased this today, May 13, 2021. So, maliit lang siya, but, you know, I don't have much stuff to put inside, so pwede na. Let's check inside. Anong laman ng mini-ref ko. Ayan. I have some eggs, Tipco, fresh milk, some Greek yogurt, then bread. I have mayonnaise and lettuce, water, some beer, Coke, some ulam I left kahapon, chocolates, then some meat. I have chorizo and pork here, and also hot. So far, malamig naman siya, and yes, nag-yellow talaga siya. Malamang. Kasi freezer to. Mini freezer, but enough space na for your meat products para hindi siya masira. So, ito yung control niya. Ayos yung freezer niya. If you really want to make some ice cubes or ice, you just need to increase the to lower the ano ba? I don't know. Kailangan mo lang i-increase ang number niya dito. So, the higher the number, the more siya mag-freeze. And, yeah. So, up to 6. But, my default temperature is nasa 3 lang siya. Para hindi din gaano malakas kumain ng kuryente. And of course, don't forget to clean your fridge from time to time para hindi siya madumi. And para always fresh ang laman ng ref niyo. So, that's it.